What's up, guys? It's your girl Goldilocks here, and we are continuing our struggle mini tree series. Today we are doing our lovely pink tree. Isn't this tree freaking fabulous? It is so pretty. As you can see, there are built-in lights, so it comes with lights. It's battery powered. AA batteries will get the trick done. So it's already pretty before we get to it. Like, honestly, like this tree and probably our blue tree like need no decorations. It's already fabulous. So of course, like all the other trees, we're doing 3 different looks. This look here is going to be silver and pink today. Right now I'm putting on my lights. I'm using white lights on this tree, and of course you already know, if you want to see the dirty details of this tree, I'll be making a separate video that will be coming out shortly. So in the meantime, just enjoy these looks, and of course, as always, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, so you can see more of this lovely holiday content. Now we're putting on a silver garland, and of course we have silver ornaments to just make this joint sparkle and sing. And I really like this look. It is so beautiful. This is like the ultimate girly girls tree. And we're just gonna top it off with a little Frosty the Snowman there doing his thing, and as you can see, it came together so well. Love that tree. All right, second look here, we are doing white and gold, and I really like to use this white garland on trees because it gives the effect like there's some snow on there. Ooh, that's so fabulous. So now we're gonna top it off with some gold ornaments, and I really like the gold ornaments because for whatever reason the lights kind of appear a little yellowish, and it really complements like the lights on the tree with the gold bulbs. Like, you see how that looks? Oh my goodness, so pretty. All right, final look. I like to call this my like colorful look. This is gonna be our bronze and blue, and we're just gonna go all out with the color on this one. This is our colorful tree. We are using colorful lights. Maybe with the pink you can't really tell as much, but the lights that I put on are colorful. They're different colors, and we're using a bronze garland. Now I know this may look a little funky because I just think the bronze and the pink just reflect off each other so much, but it is really like a beautiful combination, and if you want to go for the color, this is the tree to do it. Our little penguin is gonna top it off and make it perfect, and there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Love it. Make sure you subscribe and continue and wait for the next